So see and tell me how exactly it is working. I still have a more control over my steering wheel, more than my accelerator or the brake. I can feel more confident while handling this car when I have my hands on the wheels. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to test the traction control of the Honda City 5th generation 2020. This test will also make people understand how exactly traction control works in all other cars as well. So it's a really common questions about the traction control, that how exactly in the real life it works, how it functions, and what happens if you make it off. So we will see today. We are going to see how we climb up on the road, and we will also take the car in the dirt road where we will do a traction control test, first putting it off and then putting back to on, and we will see the exact difference what we will get in terms of the control what car is having after switching on the traction. So let's get started. So guys, we are at this road. You can see the road over there. We will take this down, and from there we will take the car up and see how easily it's going out. So we will take the video from outside as well, to that, so that you can see that how it works from outside and how the wheels are turning from outside. So yeah, so I will first turn off. So basically I'll press this for 2 seconds and you will see vehicle stability assist, which is the traction control. I've put it off. You can see the signal over there. I'm going to start from here. Let's see it down. Not so comfortable when we go down. Let's see, let's go up from there. Okay, so guys, this time I'm gonna put this on, vehicle stability assist on, and let's go from the same route. Let the bike go away first, and then we will see how that works. How much control I have from inside the cabin, I'll definitely let you know after changing this. So as I go down, I can feel I have more control on my steering wheel, what I'm rotating right now. And yeah, I can completely feel that I have a more control over my steering wheel, you know. Let's see, let's just climb up. Okay, I have a super cool control. What I felt right now, superb. I have no words to tell you guys that I could feel a real difference when I climbed up. I don't know how you felt while watching the video in the car from outside, but I had a more of a control when I was handling the steering in my hand. So it was really cool. The stability assist, I feel that it really worked. So see and tell me how exactly it is working. I still have a more control over my steering wheel, more than my accelerator or the brake. I can feel more confident while handling this car. So guys, as you saw that it was very comfortable when driving in a stability assist mode on. We will go in a bit of open ground what we have in the front. I'll see how the car performs, so I will do it from inside and outside as well, so you can have a better idea how that's working as well, you know. So we have a narrow road over here. I'll just go there. Today we have got a really good road to demonstrate. Look at this. I have great control and a stopping. When I apply my brakes, even if I'm rotating like that, the car stops in the middle. So it's not going here and there when my stability assist is on. Let's see from outside with the off. So let me just put it off again. So I'll put this off, vehicle stability assist off, and see how that works. We start from here and just I hope you can see it. Right, let's start. Very bad control, you know. I wanted to go from, I don't know, it's not so good. Let's see. Okay, the steering wheel completely, okay, look at that. So completely becomes irresponsible, you know. It does not respond to my hands at all, here and there, and I don't have much control. So when I started from there, I wanted to come here, but it got me from here in the between. So that was not good. If I am facing an accident, for example, if there is a car in front of me and I'm taking a turn, it will directly dump me into somewhere else where I do not want to go, right? So let's see. I'll go back to the same place where we started, and then I'll put on the stability assist on, and let's see how that works and how much more control I'm getting. Okay, let's go back here. We will, okay, perfect. Now we are putting this on mode, so it's back on, and let's see how we are able to handle. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, look at that exact control what I've got here. A great control. I am able to go where exactly I want to go with this traction control stuff. Putting it on, whoa, I like this. So guys, loved the smacky performance. What Honda City today got me into, it was really good while driving on the vehicle stability assist. So it's a very good safety feature, you can say, in this car, that you know you will get and end up in a safe direction. Look at the peacock, what is doing over there. So right, guys, it was really a pleasure experience. I tried myself just for you, and it was a really great experience overall for me as well, you know. So I have not got much chance to test the car like that, but just because of you guys, I got a chance, and it was really a great experience, to be honest. So it takes you to the exact road where you want to go, you know. You have a more and better control while driving this car. You know, again, the same kind of road. I have the vehicle stability assist on, and I'm still feeling I'm not lost, you know. So yep, overall it was really good. You should really try. And I must say that whenever you are driving in such kind of roads, if it's a straight highway, then it's okay, but I would still recommend putting it on, you know, because it is really helpful for your safety. If some car is coming from the front and the driver had completely got imbalanced, the front driver of yours, then you need to know that without vehicle stability assist or traction control, you won't be able to control your car exactly how you want it. So it's very important for you that you put this feature on if it's available in your car, and definitely you should try that. That will really help you stay safe, you know. So I really got a real life experience. What I just saw, without vehicle stability assist, I was unable to control my wheel for myself itself. I was not able to, you know, take a precise location that exactly where I want to go. But with the stability assist on, the things was really different from what it was. And with this traction control test, we also tested today that sedans ground clearance does not affect this kind of roads. You saw what kind of road we had. To be honest, guys, it was deep down and going up back and stuff like that. So even in that position, and also I was in a speed, I was not driving slow. You know, if people will say that you were driving slow, that's why you didn't touch from the below part. It was not like this in today's case. Today we were driving really rough, and you know, still we are driving a rough road. There is nowhere I experienced today that I'm touching from the bottom. No way. There was mud. There was really wet mud what I went through, and it was deep dive and high up, and I didn't had any problem with the ground clearance, and none of the part of my car touched from the bottom. So that's a great news for the sedan owners as well. So you should be happy with that as well. Yeah, so all right, it's time to wrap up. If you have liked this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel. If you're watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. I am making videos about the cars and the Honda City as well, to be precise. I'm testing the cars and giving you all the details about the technicalities, what this car is capable of, and I'm also reviewing other cars as well. So please subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an update. And please guys, share this video with as many as people possible, so that it can reach to more and more people, and people can know and learn more about the cars. Thank you so much again, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.